This is an emergency alert system announcement. The United States government has issued a UAA, Unidentified Anomaly Alert. This is not a drill. A biological anomaly has been identified and is currently active across the Pacific coast, moving steadily eastward toward the interior. This entity, designated as the Skin Man, is hostile. Reports indicate the anomaly enters residential and commercial buildings to target living citizens. The nature of the attack is systemic and catastrophic. The entity forcibly removes the epidermal layers of the victim while they are still conscious. Immediate safety measures are now in effect. You must adhere to the following instructions to ensure your survival. First, secure your perimeter. Lock all exterior doors and windows. Use heavy furniture to barricade entry points if possible. Do not open your door for anyone, regardless of whether they sound familiar or appear to be in distress. The anomaly is capable of mimicking vocalizations and physical appearances to lure victims into a state of vulnerability. Second, retreat to a secure internal room. The ideal secure room is a basement, a windowless bathroom, or a reinforced closet. Avoid rooms with glass windows or skylights. Once inside, lock the door and extinguish all lights. Silence your mobile devices and avoid making any noise that could alert the entity to your presence. Third, do not attempt to travel. Roadways are currently unsecured. By leaving your home or attempting to evacuate, you are exposing yourself to direct contact with the anomaly. There is no designated safe zone at this time. Your current reinforced structure is your only viable protection. Be advised that this anomaly has been documented in the United States since April 23, 2000, with the first verified sighting occurring in Richfield, Utah. For over 2 decades, the nature of this entity remained classified. It is now public. Do not investigate strange noises in your walls or ceilings. Do not respond to screams coming from outside your secure room. Warning: if you find yourself in a direct, face-to-face encounter with the Skin Man, it is already too late. Stay tuned to this frequency for further updates. Remain in your secure room. Do not leave until the all-clear signal is broadcast. God help us all.